How to fix Snapchat support code. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix your Snapchat support code. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. So first of all, make sure that you have updated your app. Head over to Play Store and search for Snapchat. If you see update sign, tap onto update and update your app. Once you have updated your app, head over to the settings application and at this page scroll below to apps. From these various apps, search for Snapchat. Then go onto storage and clear the cache. Now go back and tap on force stop from your bottom right. Then tap on OK. Once you do so, see if this fixes your problem. If not, you have to reinstall your application after you install it. Long tap onto the app and tap onto install. Then tap onto OK. And you can always download this application from Play Store and that shall fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.